Mastering reported commands with first-person subjects. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of reported speech, focusing specifically on reporting commands with first-person subjects. You might be wondering, what are these exactly? Well, don't worry. By the end of this video, not only will you understand them, but you'll be able to use them effectively in your daily conversations. Before diving into the specifics of reporting commands with first-person subjects, let's briefly revise what reported commands are. In English, when we want to tell someone about a command or request someone else made, we use reported commands. We change the tense, pronouns, and sometimes the place and time indicators to match the moment of reporting. For example, a direct command would be, "Close the door." If you want to report this command, you could say, "He told me to close the door." First-person subjects refer to the speaker or speakers. In English, the first-person singular is I, and the first-person plural is we. When we're dealing with reported commands that involve first-person subjects, it means the command or request was about the speaker themselves. For instance, imagine someone saying to you, "Let's go to the park." In this case, the command involves a first-person subject, let's, which is a contraction of let us, implying you and I. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, reporting commands with first-person subjects. The rules here are somewhat different. Since we're referring to commands involving ourselves, we need to shift the perspective accordingly. For example, if someone said to you, "Let's go to the park," and you want to report it later, you'd say, "He suggested that we should go to the park." Notice how "let's go" changed to "we should go" in reported speech. Here's another example. If someone tells you, "Give me the book," the command involves the speaker as the recipient. When you report it, you say, "He asked me to give him the book." Notice how me changed to him in reported speech. And there you have it, folks. Reporting commands with first-person subjects can seem a bit tricky at first, but with some practice, you'll master it in no time. Keep practicing these transformations, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Remember, understanding and effectively using reported speech can take your English communication skills to a whole new level. Until next time, happy learning!